Welcome back to Shiba Inu coin, which is smashing world records and going bonkers. Mimic currency Shiba Inu, the self-described killer of Dogecoin, has received a lot of attention on social media. In this video, we'll talk about how the Shiba Inu coin is smashing world records and going bonkers. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on expert analysis and price predictions for Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is based on Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency in the world after Bitcoin. It was created anonymously in August 2020 by a person or entity known only as Roshi. Now let's start the video. Analysts anticipate that the price of Shiba Inu will climb in the upcoming years. By the end of 2023, the price is expected to have increased to 0.003, or 8 times the current price. Although the Shiba Inu reached an all-time high of more than 0.00008, analysts are not very optimistic about the company's future. The average Shiba Inu price forecast for 2025 is 0.728 times that of Shibu. Dynamics were insane last year. The Shib currency quickly gained enormous popularity in May and failed to hold onto its place, but in June it made news. Once more, by 2030, cryptocurrencies will be utilized in every industry and have become genuinely mainstream. Shiba Inu is one of the most well-known and widely used cryptocurrencies at the moment. Supply is decreasing and demand is increasing, so in 2030, Shiba Inu is expected to test the $0.001 mark for the first time since its launch. This would solidify Shib's position as one of the best performing cryptocurrencies ever created in a volatile market. Additionally, small investors will find high-quality but inexpensive cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu more alluring than ever. Finally, there will be a much wider consensus that cryptocurrencies are here to stay, which will most likely contribute to a significant increase in demand for Shib. This is the single most important factor that could cause Shiba Inu to hit $1 by 2030. The crypto market will be fully developed by 2030, and the majority of the get-rich-quick hype will have faded. The stock could trade at $1 or slightly higher until the 2040s. Of course, this is all speculation, so Shiba Inu could hit $1 much sooner or never. The only way to find out is to play the long game and have skin in the game. 10 years ago, nobody would have predicted that Bitcoin would be worth $60,000. But those who invested and held on are now multimillionaires and billionaires. However, other analyst groups believe that it will trade for at least 0.24, with a potential peak of 0.29. So despite its strong performance, you can expect the Shib price to be around 0.24 in 2030. The project's detractors in the community have stated that the token's lack of utility and competitive advantages will likely limit its future performance. Experts weren't confident that the Shib coin could hit $1 by 2025 unless 3 significant advancements were made in the project. The substantial coin burn following the successful launch of the shibarium metaverse, yet shibarium will allow for quick and inexpensive transactions. Increasing utilization in the Shiba Inu ecosystem will require optimizing blockchain-based gaming transaction fees. Over the past 3 weeks, Shiba Inu has finally turned its long-term trend line from resistance to support as purchasers have worked to change the negative narrative. Recently, the 0.984 support sparked a buying rebound, but buyers were unable to immediately benefit. A persistent rise over the existing trend could encourage the purchase of newer highs in the upcoming period. On the daily charts, Shibs that stopped at the 0.144 level last month created a bearish pen and setup, but the 20 EMA and the 50 EMA continued to act as recovery obstacles and caused a reversal. Shib returned on a bearish trajectory after this reversal caused a pattern breakout. However, in the interim, this decline included a down channel, and the 50 EMAs appeared in this scenario, a bounce from the 0.984. Support might result in a possible breach over the current pattern. In that case, the 0.144 to 0.165 area could undercut the purchasing efforts and cause an immediate or final close. South sellers would continue to exercise their near-term edge. Above in such cases, this range can expose the token to a much-needed upside. A bearish invalidation of the SHIB might occur, and it could challenge the 0.011 zone. Conversely, any loss below the immediate support could encourage a retest of the down. Channel's lower trend line. The change in money flow, CMF, from 0 to 1. Although Mark's higher trows over the past few days bearishly deviated with the market action, a sustained position above the midline might support the bullish narrative. Mark was in tune with the increased purchasing demand. Thorough examination of the entire vessel, this reading indicated a bullish sign for the near term should buyers capitalize on it. Any break above the current pattern could position the token for a bull run. Additionally, the alt shared a 43% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin, so keeping an eye on Bitcoin's movement with the overall market sentiment could be essential to identifying any bearish inval. Futures open interest revealed a nearly 5.222% incline in open interest over the last 24 hours. Similarly, the price action marked an almost 3% jump during the same time. Vitalik Buterin's tweet last week sparked the emergence and rapid growth of a protocol that competes with coin Shiba Inu. Nevertheless, some die-hard supporters of SHIB persisted in their support of the cryptocurrency, with no intention of switching to the coin. David Ginn, the founder of Ginn Media, demonstrated his unwillingness to enter the Shiba Inu competitor space, instead reaffirming his unwavering support for the meme coin SHIB. He also stated that he would stick to the K9-themed cryptocurrency and added that he has no interest in the alleged SHIB killer coin. Nevertheless, this does not imply that Mr. Ginn isn't interested in any other meme coin available in the market. Additionally, Ginn has already openly supported the SHIB cryptocurrency, the meme coin, before. Enthusiast has frequently shared his predictions for SHIB on Twitter. Earlier this month, Ginn said that Shiba would have a parabolic rally in its next bull run. Before that, he had also regretted not going all in Shiba Inu while investing in the meme coin. When it came to meme tokens, I should have just gone all in on SHIB, he said last week. Ethereum founder of Vitalik Buterin took a jib at new crypto projects, stating that protocols often used to gain traction in the market. He jokingly said that someone should be creating a project named the protocol. A few days later, an ERC-20 protocol, the protocol came into existence. Mcoin, that came into existence by drawing a leaf from the Shino playbook, and many talked about it as the next SHIB killer. The protocol also gifted Buterin 100 million the meme coins, or 10% of the coins in circulation soon after the creation of its value was propelled by 1,000%. The next day, however, it has lost much of its value since then. While the launch of the protocol as a SHIB killer managed to stir up some momentary interest in the meme coin Shibainu is holding firm, the Shibainu ecosystem has seen some interesting developments in recent times. Recently, Shiba Inu secured a second rank as a Web3 security leaderboard after Polygon. On the other hand, Canada-based crypto payment gateway FCF Pay allows users to pay for their Netflix and Amazon subscriptions in SHIB crypto. According to the SHIB burn tracking platform, in the last 24 hours, the pace of burning Shiba Inu coins has increased by an astounding 1,494, a total of 452,65,562 were burned versus 283,397 SHIB destroyed the day before. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.